An raibh sé, was he? An raibh an cat sa cór. Was the cat in the car? Ní raibh sé, he wasn't. Bhí an madra ag fanacht sa cór. There was a dog waiting in the car. Nach raibh an cat ag an té. Wasn't the cat at the tea? Bhí an cat ag an té. The cat was at the tea. An raibh aon duine sa gordín. Was anybody in the garden? Bhí an siúnach sa gordín. The fox was in the garden. An raibh aon duine eile sa gordín. Was there anybody else in the garden? Bhí spidóg sa gardín freisin agus bhí cúpla aon eile in. There was a robin in the garden as well and a few other birds. An raibh na fia sa fork. Were the deer in the park? Ní raibh siad. They weren't. An raibh giraffe hús an staire. Was the giraffe upstairs? Bhí cínta. He was surely. Cé a bhí amach. Who was outside? Bhí féileáin ag an doras. The butterfly was at the door. Cá raibh sé inniu? Where was he today? Bhí sé Jack ella. He was at another house.